Okay, listen up. If you think you've been improperly billed by a local dermatology chain, wait before you pay. The Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle sat down with the Attorney General, who says you now have the weight of his office on your side. And which business are we talking about here?
Yeah, and boy, do you. I mean, the complaints about Family Dermatology double billing its patients reached into the hundreds, and they caught the legal eye of the AG's Consumer Protection Unit. The state has now reached a settlement with Family Dermatology that affects at least 42,000 accounts.
I wanted to talk to you about some of the cases that are piling up at the Better Business Bureau regarding billing.
Oh, you could call my manager.
Dr. Paula Nelson didn't have any answers for why her practice was billing clients like the Pendleys for accounts they thought were long closed.
We don't owe anybody anything.
The Rankins, too.
I'm not going to pay for anything that I do not owe.
Like hundreds of other patients who complained to the Better Business Bureau and the Consumer Protection Unit, they say they were billed for already paid appointments, some going back years.
You've got the folks that paid and they were still being billed. You've got the opportunities where they neglected to go to the insurance company for payment.
Georgia Attorney General Sam Olin says Family Dermatology just signed an assurance of voluntary compliance that says the medical practice attempted to collect from consumers debts without confirming they were even accurate.
Excuse me.
Dr. Nelson's group doesn't admit any wrongdoing, but has agreed to some pretty tough rules about how it will conduct business from here on out.
The agreement provides that they cannot seek to recover any debts prior to April 2013, that they have to change their billing practices, they have to hire additional folks. There's a 2-year monitoring period where they need to have a record of every complaint.
The Rankins, who were billed for an appointment before April 2013, can just throw out the notices to pay up and go on. But not everybody did that. You see, some were afraid after getting a letter from the company that their credit may be impacted if they don't pay again.
Folks that feel that they've been improperly billed and properly handled, they can seek restitution from Family Dermatology to recover that money back.
That's right. They can ask for their money back. But the Pendleys bill that they told state investigators they've paid falls outside of the 2013 deadline. It was for a 2014 appointment, but the settlement gives them an option to demand that Family Dermatology provide proof that their bill is unpaid.
They have to literally demonstrate that it was the amount billed, that they submitted to the insurance company, that there was a proper denial before they're able to seek redress.
And all of this comes at substantial cost to a medical chain that has gone from many to only 2 in Georgia.
The amount that they can no longer recover is approximately $9 million, about 42,000 accounts.
You're just asking Family Dermatology to play fair.
Which they should have done in the first place.
Okay, if you're in that group getting, you believe, double billed for appointments after the April 2013 deadline and you're not getting what you need from Family Dermatology, call the AG's office. The number's going to pop up on your screen, I hope, here in a second. If not, it's 404-651-8600. Again, 651-8600. Or you can reach out through their website, georgia.ga.gov. And this works for the Pendleys because they had been telling me all along, they're the 2014 case, that they've been asking for the paperwork. Show us where we owe this. Our insurance company says we don't. The insurance company says don't pay it. And they've never gotten the documentation. So this would be a perfect opportunity for them to reach out to the state and say, help.
Here's the other caveat. Family Dermatology, they have other locations in other states.
In other states.
So does this judgment apply as well?
It's just here.
Okay.
This order applies to Georgia clients only, but all of the consumer units from state to state, they do talk. So the AG's office can't reach over into other states, but they're chatting.
Yeah. All right. All right, Dana, thank you so much for that update.